Hello friends, our today's activity is weave a basket. You will need a paper plate, scissors, some colorful cords, a sellotape and a colorful paper. So let's begin. Draw a circle in the center of the paper plate. Draw 11 vertical lines at equal distance from the circle till the edge of the paper plate. So you see here I have we drew 11 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See to it that you always draw odd number of lines. If you don't want 11 then you can draw 9 or maybe 7, but always draw odd numbers. Then cut over these lines to make slits. Now we have cut 11 slits. Now what we are going to do is we are going to draw a line like this. And only on one side of each part, okay? And we will cut like this. So we like a V shape. So we have this small part coming out of each. Now we will take a cord, some fancy cord, and you will pass this from one of the slits. Turn your paper plate and fix this with a sellotape so that this cord will not slip out of the slit. Now slightly fold each part upwards. Very gently, not a very prominent fold, but just a hint of a fold. Okay. So we have folded this and we will start weaving in and out. Now you are very familiar with the weaving technique, one up, one down, or once inside and once outside. So you will keep on weaving in and out of this paper plate. So see, the reason we took odd numbers is once you reach your starting point, this part will also get covered. So you can start weaving this. See that you are not pulling the string very hard or just keeping it very loose. This paper plate should start taking the shape of a basket. You can use different colors. So here I've used 3 colors. My basket weaving has come to an end. I will work backwards again so that my thread gets locked. And see, this is the joint that we had made for connecting the threads of 2 colors so that there is a continuous weaving. So I will bring this behind again over here and I will use this. I will pass this from here. So that I will be able to secure it with a knot like this and cut the excess part out. Now remember, I told you that even if your paper plate is a bit uneven, we will later on cut it and level it out. See, this is the uneven part. You can see that this is smaller and this side is larger. So just cut the edges to even out. Be careful that you are not cutting away the cords. Now draw a circle on a colorful paper and cut it. So this will go in the center. We will apply glue to the edge of the paper. This is just to give some finishing to our basket, and glue it at the center. So now our basket looks more neat and tidy. From the same paper I have cut some strips. I'm going to apply glue and I'm going to stick this to the edge so that it looks neat and clean. Apply glue to the edge. Stick this. So we have finished gluing the paper strip on the inner edge of the basket. See, if you see inside, it is looking very neat. On the outer edge, still it is looking uneven. So we will secure another strip like this. Our best out of waste paper plate basket is now ready.